In this guide, I'm going to show you how to cancel and refund GTA 6 Ultimate Edition pre-order on PS5 tutorial. This is the easiest method to go ahead and do this. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Also, I just launched the GTA 6 $1 million money map so that you can monetize the hype. Now, this is my exact strategy on how I plan on making $1 million from the GTA 6 hype before and after release. And inside, I'm going to break down the content ideas, YouTube plays, digital products, affiliate angles, and other ways to turn all of this attention into income. So if you want to follow the exact same roadmap that I personally am using, check it out. Every purchase also does help support the channel and allows me to continue making videos like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Now, first things first, go ahead and head over to the PlayStation Store, scroll down, and then scroll up, and you need to make your way over to this More tab right here. Select it, and then you're going to see transaction history in here. Go ahead and open this up, and you're going to want to go ahead and just hit continue on this, and you'll see your purchase on here. Now, you usually cannot fully cancel or refund it directly from the screen on the console. Instead, what you need to do is open up a web browser on another platform, and you need to go ahead and search for PlayStation.com. Once you get here, go ahead and sign in up in the top right. Once you're signed in, select that profile icon up in the top right, and in here you're going to see order history. Choose that. Sometimes it's called transaction history as well, but find GTA 6 in here, and we're going to use EA Sports as an example, right? Select it. It's going to show you some information on here. Hit request refund. It'll redirect you to another page. It's going to ask you why you're doing this. You can choose any of this stuff right here and you're good to go. Since technically you're not going to be playing the game yet, you can do this. Sometimes the only reason it fails is if you've already went ahead and played the game for a certain amount of hours, but for this it'll work. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.